Hey everyone, so this is video number 4 in the Reporting in GA4 series of videos that I have on the YouTube channel. Let's create a visualization that shows us which campaigns typically acquire your audience. Okay, so over here in the Explore section, that's where we're going to start. We're going to click on Freeform. We're going to change the visualization type to donut chart. We want to have 2 of these eventually, so we're going to compare 2 donut charts, one that will show all users and the other that will show purchasers. Okay, let's clean up the segments. That'll be our next step. We're going to clean up these segments here, get rid of all of them. Okay, you can see here everything is color coded. The dimension section is green. So the breakdown section is green. So that will show you that breakdowns are populated by dimensions. The blue section here, metrics, is the same as the values section here. These are blue metrics here. So values are populated by blue metrics. Seems obvious, but maybe I'm just pointing it out for myself. Hopefully it's helpful to you too. We're going to add some segments here, as I mentioned. The first one is going to be a user segment, and it's going to be, if you click on the user area here, right, add new condition, users, user, new and returning. So add filter, contains new, or right, add new condition, user, new and returning, contains returning. You can see it goes from 49,000 to 56,000. Okay, we're going to call this all users. You guys can follow along. This is all in the demo account of the Google Merchandise Store. So just go to Google, type in Google Merchandise Store demo account, and then you can make these reports with me. Click on Save and Apply. Now we have an all users segment. We need to create another segment though, because what I mentioned earlier, we're going to be comparing segments. So you can't compare with just one. Click on plus to create another segment. So click on user segment again. We're going to call this one purchasers. Good. All right, under e-commerce, you can look over here. Nope, that's not what we want. How about under events? You can say event name. Even that's not what I want. What I'm going to do is go here to search. I'm just going to type in purchase. Yeah, so there actually is an event that fires, and it's called purchase. So when somebody buys something, an event fires just with the name event, and then the value is purchase. You can just leave it like that, and that will show you between October 20th and November 16th, 719 purchases have been made. So let's save and apply. Okay, excellent. So it's breaking these down now by city. But as I mentioned in the beginning, we want to decide kind of what our best performing channel is, or we want to actually know which campaigns typically acquire your audience. So let's get rid of city, although that is a good one. We are going to change that to first user source. So I'm going to get rid of these again to clean it up. Right, so you can see here, these are just kind of totally filled in donuts. There's nothing to break it down yet. So we want to add a dimension. And let's type in first user source. Okay, here's one. First user source, hover over it to get the definition. The source by which the user was first acquired. Okay, what about this other one here? First user /medium. First user source /medium. the source and medium by which the user was first acquired. Since this dimension describes how you first acquired the user, the dimension value doesn't change for a user if the user returns to your website or app more than once. Okay, let's use this one. So again, there's that green section in breakdowns, and here's the green section in dimensions. This implies that breakdowns is populated by dimensions. So you can drag it over, and you see it drags over nicely. Cool. So here we go. This is our visualization. All users and purchasers. Okay, we have a campaign here, probably a Google Ads campaign. 16,000 out of those 52,000 users are coming into our site via CPC or paid media. Okay, how about people who bought something? 34 of those people who came in via CPC or paid media, likely from Google Ads, between the time of October 20th and November 16th, bought something on our site. So this is an important visualization, and the breakdown is very cool as well. It tells you where people came from to not only visit the site, but perform the purchase action on the site. Okay, hopefully that was helpful. There you go. Stay tuned to the next video.